Hey, and welcome to DataViz Made Easy. I'm Chris. So a couple of years ago, I put out this video on gap width, and essentially what it is about are these little gaps in between bars in Excel, and how you can get rid of them using a feature in Excel called gap width. It got pretty good response, and it gets a lot of views. I think it helps some people figure out how to make their bars bigger by removing the gaps between the bars. And the problem is I also got these other comments about how it's not useful. So I went ahead and I tested, and I found out what happens when it doesn't work, because this happens from time to time. So here is a case where here we have gaps in between the bars, but as you can see, the gap width is 0%, but we can see right here, there are definitely gaps. So what's going on? Well, we can zoom out and quickly see the problem. All you have to do to create a gap by accident is to have an extra row in your data table. And if you've ever seen Excel spreadsheets, you'll know that this kind of thing happens all the time, where you'll have these extra rows in your data table. Well, if you just cover it up, Excel's going to treat each one of those rows as if it's another spot on the table. So this, even though it looks like there are big gaps, they're just spaces for bars with no data. So to get rid of those, all we have to really do is get rid of the blank lines. And then gap width works just like we want it to. 0% means zero space in between the two bars. Hopefully that's helpful if you're stuck on that. I hope I solved it. I hope there's no other issues creating gaps in Excel bars. But if there is, just go ahead and comment below. Let me know the other exceptions that you find. All right. Good luck.